Welcome to our tutorial in AutoCAD. For today's video, we're going to draw our tools using a construction line. When we say construction line, it is an infinite line used as our reference for our drawing and align object. Here, make it sure also that we're going to turn on our ortho mode, then start to draw a construction line. The step and procedure on how to construct a construction line will be in our keyboard, type XL, then press enter or spacebar. Then using our mouse, drag our cursor. So it said in our command prompt, specify the first point. Left click button of our mouse, then drag the object going right or along x-axis, then click our mouse, then escape. That was our construction line along x-axis. Now we will draw again our construction line in or along y-axis. To start with, using our mouse, we will drag our cursor and bring here. For example, in our drawing area, I will type again XL in our keyboard, then specify the starting point, then going upward, then click followed by escape. That was the construction line being used. Now we will draw a construction line. Then at this time we're going to turn off our ortho mode. Press F8 in our keyboard. Now we will start again. Draw a construction line. Type XL in our keyboard. Then press enter or spacebar. Then along x-axis, I will specify my starting point from here. Then I will bring it here. Left click button of our mouse. Then for today, or at this time, I'm going to continue. So using our mouse, I bring my cursor here. Left click button again. Then here, left click button, then escape. So that was the construction line that we use in AutoCAD. Thanks so much for watching.